closer.
You're gonna die. You're gonna drop the tablet.
Kirk Stefanski, please add Anderson Condon, first name Anderson, Condon,
Are you shooting a gun?
C-O-N-L-I-N.
Not that important, but I like it.
St. Mary Plano, Anderson Condon, St. Mary Plano.
Oh, you ready?